On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method requires low investment, and the best part is that you can use it to make money as a beginner wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. In this case, I'm using Yaxin.com. Yaxin.com is one of the best affiliate networks that you can find different brands to promote as an affiliate. As you can see, this is my dashboard on Yaxin.com. You can see I've made $603.29 and it is pending, and you can see this is the amount that have been paid so far, $3,470.35. You can see it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to create a Yaxin account so that you can get access to a lot of different brands and stores that you can promote to earn money from home. On Yaxin, the approval is instant, so once you enter your details, you can create an account within 1 minute. It does not require approval. Just enter your details so that you can create your account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, brands and stores. Once you click on brands and stores, when you scroll down, you can see these are brands and stores that you can promote to make money from home. You can see the first one is Shein, you can see the second one is Blue Apron, and the rest. These are big brands that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. This one is HostGator, so if you promote it and then get people to purchase a plan, you are going to be earning 70% of the plan that they purchase. You can see this is HP. If you want, you can promote it. Once you promote it, anytime customers purchase the products on HP website, you are going to be earning 4% of the price of the product. You can see this one, you are going to be earning 80% flat fee, so you are not going to be earning a percentage. Anytime you get people to purchase the product that you are promoting, you are going to be earning $80 flat fee. You can see Nike and a whole lot of different big brands that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. As a school, you can see many different big brands that you can promote. If you want more, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, show more. Once you click on it, it is going to load and show you more brands that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see a whole lot of different brands that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want, you can also sort the brands and stores by categories. All that you need to do is that you have to come right here, click on select category. Once you click on it, you can sort the brands based on the category that you like. You can see they have alcohol and beer, animals and pet supplies, art and entertainment, and many others. You can see babies and kids, charity, clothing and apparel. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can promote. So if you scroll down, there are many of them. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them that you can promote. Just select any category that you want so that you can find the appropriate brand or store that you want to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this one. So you can see it has a commission rate of $80, and this one, the commission rate is 8% of the price of the product. Let me show you how you can get to know the price of the product before you promote it. So just click on it. Just click on the offer that you want to promote. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Once you see a page like this, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see these are the different things that they sell on their website. You can see a whole lot of them. So now if you want to know the price of the item, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, shop now. Once you click on it, you can be able to see the price of the item. Once you see the price of the item, you can be able to know the amount that you are going to earn. For example, you are going to be earning 8% of the products that your potential visitors purchase. You can see this is their website. You can see it is a big brand. So just scroll down and then get to know the price of the products before you promote it. For example, if you promote it and then people click on your link, once they get access to this website and then buy jerseys, you have to check the amount that you are going to earn. So let's click on jerseys so that you can see. Once you click on the jerseys, when you scroll down, you can see this is the price of a jersey, $199.99. So that is almost $200. You can see this one is $139.99. So you're going to be earning 8% of this price anytime people purchase the product through your referral link. This one, you are going to be earning 8% of this price. So any kind of product that they purchase on this website, you are going to be earning 8%. You can see they have a lot of different products that your potential visitors can purchase. Once they purchase any of them, you're going to be earning 8% of the price. You can see a whole lot of different things. You can see a whole lot of them. So anything that they purchase, you are going to be earning 8%. In this case, I'm not going to be promoting this offer. I'm going to be promoting the credit score. So let's go back so that I will show you. So let me go down. I'm not going to be promoting this. I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. But remember, if you promote this, you're going to be earning 8% of the price of the products that are on the website. But in this case, I want a flat fee, so I'm going to be promoting this product, credit sent. So let me click on it so that I'll show you. Once you click on it, you can see this is the product. You can see 80% per sale. You can see this is my affiliate link. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product so that you can be making money. So you can find any traffic source that you want so that you can promote your affiliate link. You can use paid traffic source or you can use free traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you an extremely cheap traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product so that you can be making money with low investment. So now what you have to do is that you have to come on Google. Once you come on Google, search for NovaClicks. Once you search for NovaClicks, you can see this is their website, novaclick.com. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. This website is a traffic network where you can buy traffic at a very cheap cost. If you are also selling traffic, assume you have a website and you want to sell the traffic on your website, you can join this website as a publisher. Once you join, you list your website so that they can be serving ads on your website. Once your potential readers click on the ads that they serve on your website, you're going to be earning money. But in this case, we want to advertise our affiliate link. So we are going to be advertisers. We want to advertise our affiliate link on the platform. They have different ad formats that we can use. You can see when you click right here, ad formats, you can see they have push notification, in-page push, pop under, generated traffic. So any of the ad formats that you want, you can select it. They have a low minimum deposit and you can target your ad in any part of the world that you want. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, register, so that you can create a free account. So once you click on register, you have to enter your first name, last name, enter your email address, enter your password, confirm your password, tell them how you get to know about them. Once that is done, you have to click right here, I agree with the terms and conditions. Once that is done, click right here, I'm not a robot. Once you click on it, scroll down and then click on create account. Once you click on it, you can get access to a free account that you can use to advertise your affiliate links. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, campaigns. Once you click on it, click right here, create campaign. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to give a name to your campaign. In this case, I'm going to type credit sent. So let me see, credit sent. Once you type the name, the next step is that you have to select an ad format. You can see these are ad formats that you can select. You can see there are 4 of them, so just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to select push traffic, so click on it. Once you select it, scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on yaxin.com. Once you come back, you can see this is your affiliate link. Highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on copy. Once you copy your affiliate link, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see categories and countries. So you have to select the category of traffic that you want. You can see they have mainstream traffic and adult traffic. You don't need adult traffic, so deselect it. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see countries. You can see they have include and exclude. The countries that you want to target, you have to select include, and the countries that you do not want to target, you have to select exclude. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to include certain countries. So we are going to include the United States. So let's say United States, you can see US, click on it. Once that is done, you have to target the United Kingdom. So let's type United Kingdom. You can see it right here, click on it. Once that is done, we want to target Canada. So let's target Canada. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter the countries that you are targeting, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see right here, you have to upload an icon image. You have to also upload the main image of the product. Apart from that, you have to also enter the title of the offer and the description. So let's paste the title and the description of the offer. To get a title and a description, come back on yaxin.com. You can see this is a description of the offer. So just highlight some portion of the text. Highlight it. Once you highlight it, copy it. Once you copy it, come back and then paste it as your description. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to go back on yaxin.com. You can see right here, this is the title of the offer. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the images of the offer right here. So what you have to do is that you have to copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, open a new tab and then paste the title of the offer here. Once you paste it, click on search. Once you search for it, select images. Once you select images, you can see these are the images of the offer. What you have to do is that you have to download any of the images that you want. In this case, I want to download this image. So right click on the image. Once you right click on it, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, the next step is that you have to click right here, upload icon image. So click on it. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click right here, upload image, so that you can upload the same image. So select your image, click on open. As you can see, the images have been uploaded. Once the images have been uploaded, you can see special targeting. If you want to target people who use specific devices, you can do that, but in this case you want to target all devices, so just leave it. Once that is done, when you scroll down, you can see operating systems. If you want to target specific operating systems like Android, Apple iOS, you can do that, but in this case we want to target all of them, so just leave it. Browsers, we are targeting all browsers. You can see mobile carriers, we are targeting all mobile carriers. There is no restriction. You want people to click on our link and then purchase the product, so just leave everything. Once you leave everything, you can see right here subscriber age. If you want, you can change it, but in this case we are not going to change anything. Just leave it at a default. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see budget and byte. The first one is the pricing model. When you click on it, they have cost per click, smart CPC, smart CPA. In this case, we want to select CPC, cost per click. How much are you willing to pay per every click that you get? So enter your byte. You can see this is the top byte and this is the average byte. Just enter any of them that you want. In this case, I want to enter 10 cents. So 0.10, 10 cents. So you are going to be paying 10 cents per every click that you want. If you want, you can increase it to 12, 11, 13, or any amount that you want. In this case, I want to leave it at 12 cents. So anytime people click on my link, I have to pay 12 cents. But if you want, you can also lower it. Once that is done, you have to enter your daily budget. The minimum daily budget is $10, so you can enter the $10. Once that is done, you can see total budget. The minimum total budget is $10, so if you want, you can enter $10. You can enter any amount that you want. So just enter an amount that you can afford that is above $10 or that is equivalent to $10. In this case, I want to enter $50. Once that is done, you can see there's a warning here. You have a lower byte than average. You will receive a small amount of traffic. It is okay if you are new, you are testing the platform, so just test it to see if you get a sales before you can increase the cost per click. So just leave it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see time targeting. If you don't want your ad to run on certain days of the week or certain hours of the day, you can deselect that. But in this case, we want our ad to run throughout the week and then at all times, so just leave it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see if you want to blacklist a website, you can do that. Just enter the address of the website here so that you can blacklist it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see add custom byte. Just leave everything. Once that is done, you have to click right here. I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets the quality guidelines. Your campaign will be reviewed within 24 hours and will start directly after approval. So what you have to do is that you have to click on it. Once you check it, the next step is that you have to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you can see your campaign has been created. It is pending approval. So now what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts so that your ad can start running immediately after approval. To deposit funds, you have to click right here, fund your accounts. Once you click on fund your account, you can see these are the currencies, these are the payment methods. So any of them that you want, you can select it. You can see right here, they have credit card, they have wire transfer. You can see this one right here, capitalist, and then BitPay. Any of the payment methods that you want, you can use it to deposit money into your account. The minimum deposit is $50, so if you want, you can enter $50. So just select the one that you want. In this case, we want to enter $50, so just enter $50. Once you enter $50, agree with the terms and conditions. Once that is done, click right here, proceed with payment. Once you click on it, you can be able to make a payment and your ad is going to start running immediately after approval. Once your ad begins to run, you get people who click on it and then purchase the product that you are promoting, so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.